I'm with Matakatso Mshweshwe that I just met on the beach. There she is.
Hello.
She was picking up litter, which is quite unusual. We don't meet many people like us, but I'm very proud to say that she has a cause. She has a mission here, and let's ask her more about herself and her business here. Go ahead.
Hi Doug, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm very proud of you. Well done. Nice to see
so
you.
much. My name is Matakatso Mshweshwe and I am an upcycle queen. I'd love to call myself that. So what I do on my spare time, I walk around the beach and I pick up litter. I pick up plastic because I believe that it is all our responsibility to take care of our beautiful earth. That's what I do.
Nice one. No, lovely. Did you mention the Instagram channel?
Yes, I did.
You did, and you're going to WhatsApp. We're going to find out those details. I'll put them there in the description below, and we'll be in touch again.
Okay,
Lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.